going to do is I'm just going to put the waste beaker underneath again, and I'm going to fill the burette because I want to be able to take a reading that's quite nice, and I don't want to run out of acid. Yeah. Come some bubbles, 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 bubbles. There's my waste beaker. Okay. Ooh, here we go. All right, now it's on 0 again. 0 again means that I can do another run. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in the sodium hydroxide again. So I'm going to measure sodium hydroxide. Okay. And I'm going to let the sodium hydroxide out. Paula, can you just fetch me the flask?
Which one of them?
That is Naya. So again, sorry. Alright. Alright, Michelle, you ready? Is it going? Okay, so there is the bit. The next thing I'm going to do is obviously put in my indicator. Because I've done one run, I can now simply tell more or less where to stop. Yes? Okay. Which is why the first run is so important. So that means that, oopsie, oh, fail.
Did you pour? Oh, now you have to pay tweezers now.
I do.
That's a bad idea.
I know it's a bad idea. It's okay. There we go. So, right. So now I know that I need to get to about, where is it? 20. So I'm going to go until 28, and then I'm going to slow down. Make sense? Yes? Or maybe even 27. 27.5, yeah. Okay, you ready? Okay, and the rule is with this that it's kind of, you allow the tap to go and then you twirl so that you are mixing the substance in. Does that make sense? So it's like twirl and swish. Okay? What's this?
I don't think the thingy of a bubble is straight.
It's okay.
Never got off the ball like that.
I told you I'm cold. I'm good.
That goes.
That's your last one.
Okay, sure.
And can you see how literally if I do one more drop, almost. Yeah. And is it done or is it still a pinkish tinge? Ah, is that it?
Yes.
Alright, now I'm just going to straighten this so I can get a good reading. If someone can come and take a look here, it looks like it's just before 29. Come have a look. I think it's 28.8. Am I right? Is it 28.8? Can I get a second? Check for 28.8.
28.7. But now between the two.
Sorry? Between the two. I'm happy to go with 28.8. Is everybody happy with that?
Yeah.
Excellent. Do me a favor, take the oil and wine flask out. So tilt it slightly. Yes? Good stuff. Bring me another one. that down for me, Gordon. Alright, now we do the same process again.
Matt, if we're say for the NaOH that we're taking in centimeters cubed, do we need to say for the other results also in centimeters?
Yeah, it is both in centimeters because milliliters and centimeters cubed are
Same.
the same. Yeah. Okay, so I have that and I'm ready. Yes? Okay, I'm going to go again. Remember, I'm now going to go from 28.8, so that is my initial reading. Okay, let's see where my final reading is. Should be 50, 60. It's really cool because you can see the color changing at the bottom. What generally happens is the following. Just so you know, if you titrate with the one hand, then you twirl with the other. Make sense? So that you can control the flow of your acid or your base into your solution. Okay? And it's a one-person job. So sometimes when you guys do this, one person wants to control the tap and the other one wants to swirl, but it needs to be the same person. Make sense? Almost there. How many more drops do you reckon?
4.
4. You might be right. Is that it? Is that it? Just to check? Yes, that's it. Hey. Okay, that's what we call an end point, hey? Remember that? Okay, now we need another reading. So if someone could come up and help me out with a reading, that would be great. Yes. So what do we have? Top one is 50. The next one is 50. 56. 55. 55.2. Yeah, 55.2. Alright, so we've got 55.2 as the final. So 55.2 minus our 28.8. Yes? How much does that give me? 26.4. Excellent. So the second reading is 25 and 26.4. Okay, let's do the last run. Do you want to pause for me, please, Michelle? Okay, so we're ready for the final run for this titration. Here we go. Pretty. Under. Turn it again. Are we ready? Or do we have a reading? The reading is?
26.4.
26 point, no, it's not. The reading is not 26.4. The reading is 55.2. No? Yes. This is the one. 55.2 because that was the final one. Okay. Let's see. Probably 70 something. Can't see around the corner here, guys. Yeah. What is it on here? Talk to me. Can't you see that far? Could somebody come closer, please? What am I on?
You're on 33. 83.
83. Exactly. And we're done. So, we have 83 as the final minus 55.2, which is where it stops. How much is that?
27.8.
27.8. Our readings are awesome. I say our readings are awesome because we have 25 and 28.8, we have 25 and 26.4, and we have 25 and 27.8. What's the reason why we do 3 different runs?
Get an average.
So we can use an average. Have you all got that written down? Excellent. Right, you can stop for us, Michelle.